Honda Ridgeline has always been known as one of the smartest trucks in the midsize segment, but what makes it truly special isn't always obvious at first glance. Sure, most people notice the comfortable ride and practical design, but hidden beneath the surface are several clever features that many buyers don't even realize exist until they own one. So today, we're counting down some of the best hidden features of the 2027 Honda Ridgeline that could completely change the way you look at this pickup. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because some of these features are surprisingly useful. Hidden feature number 1, the in-bed trunk. Lift the floor of the truck bed, and you'll find a large lockable storage compartment hidden underneath. This in-bed trunk is perfect for storing tools, backpacks, groceries, emergency supplies, or even keeping valuables out of sight. Is weather-resistant, secure, and frees up valuable cabin space, something you won't find in most competing mid-size trucks. Hidden feature number 2, the dual-action tailgate. At first glance, the tailgate looks completely normal, but it actually opens in 2 different ways. You can lower it like a traditional pickup tailgate, or swing it open sideways like a door. That side opening function makes loading cargo, reaching tools, or accessing the in-bed trunk much easier. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you use it. Hidden feature number 3, lift up rear seats. Most people focus on the truck bed and forget about what's inside. The rear seats can fold upward, creating a surprisingly large storage area inside the cabin. This hidden cargo space is perfect for transporting luggage, cameras, sports equipment, or anything you want to keep protected from weather or theft. It instantly makes the Ridgeline feel even more versatile. Hidden feature number 4, truck drives like an SUV. This isn't something you can see, but you'll definitely notice it the first time you drive one. Because the Ridgeline uses a unibody platform with independent rear suspension, the ride is noticeably smoother than many traditional pickups. Less body shake, better cornering, and the quieter cabin all make daily driving much more enjoyable. Hidden feature number 5, smart all-wheel drive. Honda's available IVTM4 all-wheel drive system does much more than simply send power to all 4 wheels. It can actively distribute torque between the rear wheels, improving traction during rain, snow, gravel, and even while cornering. Most drivers never think about it because the system works automatically in the background. Hidden feature number 6, hidden storage throughout the cabin. Honda is famous for maximizing interior space, and the Ridgeline continues that tradition. Large door pockets, a spacious center console, multiple cup holders, and cleverly designed storage compartments make it easy to organize everything from tablets to charging cables and travel gear. It's one of those details that makes everyday ownership far more enjoyable. Hidden feature number 7, easy bed access. Because of its lower ride height compared to many traditional pickups, climbing into the bed or loading heavy cargo is noticeably easier. You don't have to lift items quite as high, making daily tasks less tiring. It may sound like a small detail, but you'll appreciate it every time you load groceries, tools, bicycles, or camping equipment. Hidden feature number 8, quiet cabin. Many pickup trucks generate noticeable road noise on the highway. The Ridgeline is different. Its construction helps reduce vibration and wind noise, creating a quieter cabin that's much more relaxing during long trips. If you spend hours commuting or traveling, this hidden advantage quickly becomes one of your favorite features. Hidden feature number 9, standard Honda sensing. Many buyers don't realize how much safety technology comes standard. The 2027 Ridgeline is expected to include Honda sensing across the lineup, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, road departure recognition, and traffic sign recognition. Instead of paying extra for essential driver assistance features, most buyers receive them right from the start. Hidden feature number 10, built for everyday life. Perhaps the biggest hidden feature isn't a single feature at all. It's the philosophy behind the Ridgeline. Every storage compartment, every seat, every control, and every convenience feature has been designed for real people who use their trucks every day, not just on weekends or job sites. That's why so many owners remain loyal to the Ridgeline year after year. It quietly solves problems that many other trucks simply overlook. So which hidden feature surprised you the most? Was it the in-bed trunk, the dual-action tailgate, or the SUV-like driving experience? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering hidden features, upcoming vehicle reviews, and honest automotive content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload from Next Gen Autos.